Welcome. In this video we will make quince compote. To begin with, we will say something about quinces. Quince is a beautiful and fragrant fruit that can be turned into a tasty and healthy dessert by cooking. Because of the tannins, the quince is almost an inedible fruit, but with heat treatment and the addition of honey, it becomes a real delicacy. Quince fruits and seeds contain a wealth of medicinal substances, which is why they are a symbol of fertility and health. And below we provide tips and a recipe on how to make quince compote. Preparation of quince. Quince fruits grow on the tree the same name, which can grow up to 6 meters in height. It can be grown as a medium-sized shrub or tree, and belongs to the rose family. There are several hundred varieties of quince in the world, while only a dozen are used for cultivation. In our regions, 6 types of quince are most often grown, of which 3 are the most popular for making winter cottages: Ivranska, Rasinska and Leskovačka. The fruits ripen in October, but the harvest season begins in September. It is important to pick before the first fruits, preferably when the fruit is not yet completely yellow, because the almost unripe fruit retains a larger amount of pectin than when it is ripe. During the harvest, you should be careful with the fruits because if they are damaged, they start to rot very quickly. Quince bears abundantly every year, which is why it is a grateful fruit bowl for cultivation. They bloom quite late, so they rarely suffer from spring frosts. Healthy yellow quince are chosen for compote preparation. The quince must be completely yellow with no brown spots. Compotes are made from all kinds of fruit. Pieces of whole fruit in sugar syrup preserved by pasteurization. Plums, pears and apples combine well with quince, and the compote can be eaten cold or warm. If you want to try quince compote the old-fashioned way, this is the recipe for you. I love quince compote, and since I don't have the time to make it, nor the space to store it, I use this quick version in quince season. Ingredients: 2 quinces, 2 apples, juice of half a lemon, a teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. If desired, you can add dried fruit if you have it, such as raisins, figs, plums, apricots. Preparation: wash the quince well and cut it into cubes. When it is homemade and unsprayed, we don't not peel the skin, because it gives it a special taste. Put the quince, apples and dried fruit in a deep dish. Sprinkle with cinnamon, pour water over it and bring it to a boil. When it boils, add sugar or honey and boil for another 15 minutes or until it softens at a low